Hi there, I am Tanya and you're watching Learn with Ears. In today's video, we are going to talk about present continuous tense. Okay, it is also known as present progressive tense. So let's get started. Present continuous tense talks about something that's happening right now. Okay, it is a temporary action which is happening right now. Now let's see how to make positive sentences in present continuous tense. For making positive sentences, we need subjects. Okay? These are I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. Then we need verb to be. Am, are, and is. Okay? With I, we use am. With plural subjects, we use are, and with singular subjects, we use is. After that, we need main verb with ing, like sleeping, reading, writing, playing, crying, singing, and working, right? For making positive sentence, we need subject, verb to be, main verb with ing. I am sleeping. Okay, so here we have sentences. I am sleeping. We are reading. You are writing. They are playing. He is crying. She is singing. And it is working. Right? For making positive sentences, we need subject, verb to be, main verb with ing. Remember, with plural subjects, we use they, we use are, and with singular subjects, we use is. Okay? Now let's move and learn how to make negative sentences. For making negative sentences, we need subject, then verb to be, then not, and main verb with ing. Okay, now let's see some examples. Here we have first sentence, I am not working. Okay, I am not, because it's a negative sentence. I am not working. I am working, it's a positive. I am not working, it's a negative sentence. Okay, next, we are not reading. You are not writing. They are not playing. He is not crying. She is not singing. And it is not working. Right? Now let's see how to ask questions or how to form questions in present continuous tense. For making questions, we need verb to be, then subject, then main verb with ing. Okay, we also put a question mark. So here we have first sentence, is she cleaning? Is she cleaning? Okay, it's a question because here we have a question mark. We use verb to be first, then subject and main verb with ing. Next sentence, are we reading? Are you writing? Are they playing? Is he crying? Is she singing? And is it not working? Okay, so here we have some questions, right? In questions, we use verb to be first, then subject, then main verb with ing. We also use question words for asking questions like where, why, when, who, which, how, and what. Okay, these are question words. Now let's see some examples of question words. So here we have first example, where is she cleaning? Okay, is she cleaning is a simple question, but when we put where, then we are asking for place. Where is she cleaning? Next, how are we reading? Okay, we are asking how, style, method, Okay, way of reading. We're asking way of reading. What are you writing? When are they playing? Why is he crying? Which song is she singing? How is it not working? Okay, so these are questions without question words and these are with question words. When we add question words, we ask additional information. Okay, is she cleaning is a simple question. Is she cleaning or not? And here, where is she cleaning? We are asking for place. This is how we make questions. Okay, and when we want to know more about something, we use question words. Now let's move and learn when to use it. Okay, see the first use. An action that is happening at this moment, now. Okay, for example, I am eating now. She's reading now. They are dancing, at this moment they are dancing. Okay, so if we have same situation, we use present continuous tense, something which is happening now. Now let's see the second use. Something that's happening during this period of time. Okay, actions that are evolving or progressive change. For example, she's reading these books. Okay, but not at this time. She is reading during this period. Now let's see the next example. He's working on a project. Okay, but not at this time. He's working during this period. See the next example. He's getting fatter. Okay, it's not possible that he's getting fatter at this time. Okay, it's during this period he's getting fatter. So something that's happening during this period of time, we use present continuous tense. So here we have third use. We can also use present continuous tense to talk about future plans and arrangements. For example, I am going for the shopping tomorrow. Okay, so here I'm talking about future action, future event, but we can use present continuous tense. Next, I am going to visit my grandparents next week. Okay, so next week we are talking about future, but here we can use present continuous tense. Okay, because it's a plan for future, right? Next, we are eating tonight. Okay, it's also a future plan or arrangement. So now we know we can use present continuous tense for future arrangements or plans also. So today we learned what does present continuous mean, how to form sentences, and when to use present continuous tense. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.